Thank you for choosing the iSpring Central Whole House Water Filtration System. This video will show you how to install and operate the system properly. Before we begin, please carefully read the user manual and ensure your water pressure is 35 psi or above. The system's maximum pressure limit is 100 psi. If your daytime water pressure is 80 psi, nighttime pressure may exceed the maximum limit. Use a pressure reduction valve to regulate the inlet water pressure to 80 psi if necessary. This system is for indoor use. The installation location should be well ventilated and protected against wind and rain. Avoid direct sunlight and radiation from any heat sources. The system is intended for cold water use only. Do not run hot water through the system. The system is intended to connect to the main water supply before the water heater. If you have an electric water heater, please turn off the power during installation to avoid damage. Do not use water that is microbiologically unsafe or of unknown quality without disinfection before or after use with this system. Organic contaminants in water can cause deterioration and ineffective of the filter media. It is recommended to have a pre-filter installed before the system. A water route bypass is also recommended to allow easier access to replace the pre-filter and troubleshoot the system if any problems arise. The system requires a drain line for draining wastewater from the system backwash and rinsing. The drain pipe size should be at least half an inch and not exceed 20 feet. Otherwise, a 3/4 inch drain pipe is required. The drain hose must be secured to avoid flooding. See the user manual for more information and details. This product is designed for residential use only. Contact iSpring customer service to inquire about using in non-residential settings. Please check all parts were included in the package and have all the required pipe connectors and tools ready. System preparation. Step 1. Set the system in the desired location and ensure it is leveled and on a firm base. Step 2. Remove the back cover. Lift the high cover and disconnect the communication cable. Remove high cover from the system. Step 3. Remove the red clamps from the system's water inlet and outlet valves. Select the proper size set of connect screws. Install and lubricant the inlet and outlet connector O-rings. Step 4. Install the connector screws to the valves. Reinstall the red clamps. Step 5. Install the drain tube to the drain connector. Secure the tube with stainless steel clamps. System installation. Please note, different settings require different connecting setup. The pipe connectors used in the video are for demonstration only and are not included in the package. Step 1. Shut off the main water line and open the nearest faucet to release water and pressure in the pipe. Step 2. Measure and cut the main water inlet pipe. Prepare a bucket to catch water from the pipe. Step 3. Ensure the water inlet and outlet flow direction. Connect the system to the pipeline using our preferred connection method. Step 4. Connect the drain hose to a drain. A convert fitting may be needed for this connection. Secure the drain hose to prevent flooding. Installation is now complete. System startup. Before turning on the main water supply, please ensure the system bypass valves are in the bypass position. Step 1. Slowly turn on the main water supply. Step 2. Let the water run from the faucet for a few minutes until the pipes are free of foreign material that entered the pipes during installation. Step 3. Reconnect the communication cable and reinstall the high cover. Step 4. Plug in the power adapter to the system. Plug in the power supply to a power socket. System regeneration. The purpose of system regeneration is to prepare filter materials for daily use. It is recommended to perform regularly to maintain water quality. System regeneration is preset at a 25-minute cycle, including a 15-minute backwash and a 10-minute rinse. The system will return to normal operation mode when finished. If the screen is locked, press and hold the menu button for 3 seconds to unlock the screen. Step 1. Perform an initial system regeneration by pressing and holding the Confirm button for 3 seconds. Press the Confirm button again to enable selecting options. Press the Up or Down button to select Immediate Regen. Press the Confirm button and the Menu button to start system regeneration. Step 2. Wait until the backwashing remaining timer starts to count down. Unplug the power supply to keep the system in the backwash state. Step 3. Slowly turn the system water inlet bypass valve halfway to the service position using the hex key. Please note, rapid opening the valve will cause equipment damage and media loss. Turn the system water outlet bypass valve all the way to the service position. Let the water run until all air is purged from the system. Step 4. Fully open the inlet valve to the service position and let the water run for at least 10 minutes. Ensure no leaks at the connection. The air in the system's tank should be completely exhausted. Step 5. Reinstall the back cover. Reconnect the power supply. Press any buttons to skip the rest of regeneration steps. The system will return to normal operation mode. Turn the bypass valve to the bypass position and let the filter material soak for 10 minutes. Step 6. Turn the bypass valve to the service position. Set up the system parameters following the user manual. Perform a regeneration by pressing and holding the Confirm button for 3 seconds. Press the Confirm button again to enable selecting options. Press the Up or Down button to select Immediate Regen. Press the Confirm button and the Menu button to start system regeneration. Please perform at least 2 complete regeneration processes. After regeneration processes are completed, the system is ready for use. System programming. The digital controller is preset at the factory to begin regeneration at 2 a.m. every 8 days. If a different schedule is desired, please follow these steps to alter the setting. Step 1. Press and hold the Menu button for 3 seconds to unlock the controller interface. Press the menu once to enter the menu. Step 2. Use the Up or Down button to highlight the Advanced Settings icon on the menu. Press the Confirm to enter the setting. While Manual Settings is highlighted, press and hold the Confirm button for 3 seconds to enter Manual Settings menu. Step 3. Use the Up or Down buttons to highlight the Regeneration Time or Regeneration Days icon on the menu. Press the Confirm button to enter the setting. Step 4. Use the Up or Down buttons to switch sections. Press the Confirm button, then press the Up or Down buttons to modify the value. Press the Confirm button to apply the value. Press the Menu button to exit. Please note, the interface will automatically lock after a 3-minute standby period. Congratulations! Your iSpring Central Whole House Water Filtration System is now set up and ready for use. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.